In the middle of hospital hallways and amid rising prices of basic goods, a simple sandwich becomes a source of relief for many. Every day, hundreds of patients and watchers fill the hallways of PGH. In the emergency room alone, from a capacity of 75, numbers can reach up to 300. And for many, it's not just the lack of space they struggle with, but the lack of resources for daily expenses.
Siyempre, walang budget, walang pera. Minsan nagpapasalamat ko kasi yun na lang sa blessing na dumarating na biyaya like yung sandwich po. Nakakatulong sila sa amin na maibsan yung gutom namin.
Malaking tulong po ito, ma'am, lalo na po sa mga araw-araw na sa team ko ng Jocelyn C po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng effort nyo, saka sa talagang yung free na mga tinapay. Laking tulong po kasi nakakabawas sa magastusin, saka makatipid po saka lalo na ngayon sa mahal ng bilihin.
For many watchers, every peso counts, but leaving little for their own meals. Yet since 2016, the PGH chaplaincy has been preparing and distributing free sandwiches every morning, reaching up to 300 people a day.
Siguro naman, no, halos lahat makaka-relate, no? Pag nasa emergency na tayo, minsan yung sa mga importanteng dadalhin, hindi nadadala, no? Minsan, okay lang kung merong dadalhin, pero paano kung wala talaga? Minsan, nag-aalanganin yung mga tao na tumanggap kasi akala nila binibenta namin. Yung gano'n. So, sabi namin, hindi, libre po ito, galing po ito sa SAPE.
What started as a simple initiative has now become a daily routine, one that many have come to rely on. And with the help of donors, they are also able to provide additional support, including grocery packs.
It gives us also joy and hope na kahit pa paano sa simpleng act of kindness. And every time na nakikita namin sila na natutuwa, na-excite kahit na sabihin na parang palaging ganon yung aming aming binibigay pero hindi sila nagsasawa. Kaya minsan ini-encourage din namin yung mga donors, no? Mag-join kayo, mamigay tayo ng tinapay kasi nakita ninyo na how grateful they are.
At a time when many sick Filipinos continue to struggle, initiatives like this offer a sense of hope.
Kung titignan po natin ang sitwasyon sa ating government ngayon, madami ang nagnanakaw pero madami din ang willing to help. And marami pa rin ang mabubuting puso. Kaya it gives me hope na sa pagtulong-tulong, konting bagay na may iaambag natin sa ating kapwa ay malaking tulong na yun.
The PGH chaplaincy remains open to those who want to donate, because in times like these, even a simple sandwich can go a long way. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are one.